So, hello everyone, my name is Ravindra and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are seeing the Uniform Resource Identifier Parsing Functions, means URI. So, in that, we are seeing the URI host, path, and query. So, all functions we are seeing. So, let's go and see them practically. So, in the URI parsing functions, we need the URI. So I using the same URI, that is make.power automate this one. Okay, you can see. So let's I copy one more time and let's utilize the same one now. So our first function is URI host. So if you see our URI, so in that we have make.powerautomate.com is the main host in this URI. So whenever we need to extract this host, we use the URI host function. So let's go to the power effects and try to extract that. In dynamic content, let's see pass URI. Let's click on add. So our flow is saved. Now let's test. Friends, you can see our flows run successfully and let's see what output we are getting. So we are getting the host make.powerautomate.com. So let's go to another function. Our next function is URI path. So what basically this function does, let's say open the URI. So after the host name, okay, we have one slash. So after that we have environment, then the environment GUID and some of the parameters we have, okay, up to the new. So this up to new, it is entire path. So whenever we need to extract the path, we use the URI path function. So let's go to the power effects. So friends, we pass here URI path. In that we pass the our URI. So let's click on the add here and let's run the flow. So friends, you can see in the path we get the environment, after that GUID, flow new. But here friends, you have one question. Okay, in the path we get the value till the new only. Okay, if I want this additional thing, okay, this is called as parameters. Okay, so how to get parameters? So for that purpose we have the separate function. So let's see that. Extract the parameters only, we have the query function. Okay, URI query. So let's utilize this. By using URI query function, we will get the remaining things after the new. Okay, so let's go and test this. You can see new flow name, all the query parameters we get here. Okay, so now let's take one more scenario. So now let's go. So now I need the path, okay, and as well as the query. So for that purpose, we have the URI path and query function. So let's go in input. Let's use here. Let's give our URI here and let's run the Power Automate flow here. So friends, you can see we successfully extracted the path plus query parameters. So now let's go to our next function. Sometimes we run the our machine, okay, like whenever you're doing the React development or any other thing. So at that time we run the most of the our projects on the local host. To get the port from that, we have the URI port function. So let's I use here the one example because in our Power Automate we are running on web, so we not have any port here. Okay, so for that purpose, I just taken one example. So here 8080 is a port number. So whenever we need to extract this port number, we use the URI port function. Hence, you can see our flows run successfully, and we get a output as a port number 80 here. So now let's go click on edit. So now our last function is remaining, the URI schema here. So whenever we want to extract the this HT from protocol, okay, at that case we use the this function URI scheme. So let's go and utilize this one URI. Let's pass our URL here and let's click on add and let's run the flow. Friends, our flows run successfully and we successfully get the port name here. If you have any question, any doubt, friends, in this video, please let me know in the comment box and keep learning, keep growing, keep exploring. If you are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and please watch the beginner to advanced Microsoft Power Automate playlist here, so you will get full idea and knowledge of Microsoft Power Automate and you become the industry level expert. Thank you, friends. Okay, okay,